Oh,
like
okay,
4:30 when we started recording.
Okay, so it's gonna be pretty soon then.
Yeah. Got like 15 minutes left.
Perfect. So we get the sunset, and then we can't record anything anymore, so. Although you're gonna lose your audio. Sorry.
That's alright.
I might be able to put the 8 up there if you want to switch them out for landing.
Oh, okay.
I think it has the same cable.
Yeah,
I can check. You know, Annie, I got this GoPro. We might as well use it for something.
Right? Funny story why we have 3 GoPros.
I didn't get the housing unit for my 9, and there's none on the island. I looked everywhere. So I just bought an 8.
Isn't it already waterproof though?
Yeah, but when you dive, you have to put it in the casing.
Dive,
So we were diving yesterday, so I just bought the 8. So
wow.
it came with the housing.
Gotcha.
Won't be the last $300 I waste. But not super happy I had to buy it.
It's okay, it's like half a shift. Half a shift,
Yeah.
that's it. Yeah.
What did you do for it?
I'm a nurse. I'm an OR nurse.
Oh, goodness. If it wasn't obvious, I'm a flight instructor.
What?
Yeah,
no
I know,
way.
right?
I would have never guessed.
What about you?
I'm a dentist.
Dentist, okay,
Yeah.
cool. Oh my god, don't look at my teeth.
That's what it's either like don't look at my teeth or hey, I have this issue.
That's me. I have an issue. Can you help me solve it, person?
Oh jeez, that's funny.
Jen, could you do me a favor? Could you grab my water bottle? I think it's inside the big compartment.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
From all this hard work from flying thirsty. So technically, like whenever you have flight students, what do you feel like most people have the most trouble with?
Radio work.
Okay. And what's a good way to, like, other than just listening, because I feel like you need to practice it as well, like just speaking.
There's an app that you can pay for. It works. It's not perfect. It's called ARSIM.
Okay.
And it does radio work for you, so it gives you it gives you a radio call. Oh, bye-bye, sunset.
Bye. Thank you.
And then you have to press, like, turn the mic on and
Oh, okay.
repeat back or, get the call back.
And
it gives you a score.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You said it's ARSIM?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alpha Romeo.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, cool. You ready to head back?
Wow. Okay.
Maka 689. We've back taxiing runway 3 and departure back to Honolulu. Any traffic in the area, please advise. 1-eye.
Wait, can I do more flying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. I'll give you controls.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just head back.
Right now?
Just head back for Maui.
Okay.
1-eye traffic, nothing seen, nothing heard. Caravan 689. Back taxiing runway 3. Honolulu departure. 1-eye.
Traffic Sky 335, so you're about 14 miles northwest of the airport at 3,700 eastbound. Tonight.
Like, can you point it out on here where?
Basically that way.
Oh, okay.
Staring at the sun gate for too long gave me a sunburn.
Yeah.
I could see like a dot.
Oh.
And I'm gonna just fly over the clouds, just make sure you don't
Okay.
go into them.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so pink.
Wow.
Wow. Like cotton candy.
Yeah, cotton candy skies. Yeah, I love when the sun hits those wispy clouds right there,
Oh,
just right, just like that.
Yeah.
Night traffic, Maka 689, solid roll, runway 3, left turn, back to Honolulu, Lanai.
And I'm gonna fly us home. Seattle first or Phoenix? We'll have to make a couple of stops along the way. It's okay.
How long does like the fuel for this plane last?
5 hours,
Oh, that's pretty good.
if you do things right.
But 5 hours of flight time in a Cessna gets you how far?
Not back to the mainland, I can tell you that much. But let's go left of this cloud right here.
Okay.
Lanai, Bob's your Papa's 4,310 miles northwest of the airport, eastbound, back to Kauai.
Am I gonna like thread through these two little cloud hills?
Yeah.
How many hours did you have when you soloed for the first time?
30.
What? That is nuts. How did you feel?
Oh, I was so nervous.
Lanai traffic, Maka 689, 3.5 miles to the west of the field, switch into center, Lanai.
Because we went over to, so we took off out of Kauai, we went to Hana, and he's like, hey, can we make a full stop? I gotta pee really quick.
Oh my gosh.
I was like, okay.
It's like
He gets out of the plane, he's like, all right, go do like 3 laps in the pattern while I go pee. I was like, excuse me? Yeah, no, you got this, go. Are you pulling my leg here? No, like I'm serious, this is your first solo, go. I was like, oh.
Wow.
Okay.
What did you do? You just did like a pattern, that's it?
Yeah, I just did 3 touch and goes.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's pretty typical for your first solo.
Oh, okay. So you're like well within the airfield. It's not like you're going, okay.
Yeah.
And then what about your first like cross country?
I went to Oahu first, which is one of the busiest airports.
Yeah, I was gonna say you flew like into Honolulu.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Because Big Island was spewing out lava, so I couldn't go out over there.
Ah, that's.
So that was my only option for cross country. Yeah.
The first time I heard the term cross country, I actually thought you had to go across, like, fly across the country. It's like, that's That's a long way to go in a small plane.
Yeah.
What constitutes to a cross country?
More than 50 nautical miles from the airport that you took off from.
Okay.
From your home airport.
Okay. Well, we're at 5,000.
4,800.
Oh, okay, okay.
750.
Wow.
That is so pretty.
Crazy how low the clouds are.
Yeah.
Is this typical?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So when you do start your private pilot, like how, what does it mean to log, like you have to log your hours, but what does it mean as far as you have to actually be private flying, or is it just that
just
you...
any time in the plane.
Oh,
so like
okay.
when I take controls, you're still logging the time too.
I see, okay.
Yeah.
So what's to keep someone from just having someone else fly? I guess, I mean, you don't really learn.
Oh, I mean, you have to do a check right at the end, right?
Oh, okay,
And that's a practical test, so.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You can have a bunch of hours, but I mean, they're not going to do you any good because you're not learning.
I see, yeah. What do you have to do in your first check ride?
It's just like so this is kind of typical for every single check ride. It's about a 2-hour ground and a 2-hour flight.
Oh, okay.
Ground, it's ground knowledge, so that you know airplane systems, the airspace, weather, some navigation, performance,
Okay.
stuff like that.
Uh-huh.
That's your ground, and then your fly is more or less, can you fly the plane safely?
That's important.
But then certain tolerances.
Okay. It's really hard to keep the altitude, like the pitch reference now.
Yeah, because you don't have a horizon.
Uh-huh.
You'll see what I mean by night flying is kind of sketchy.
Okay. Bring it on.
Alright, so do you see Haleakala now?
Yes.
Alright, so kind of head it up.
913065 at runway at Alpha, back taxi into runway 34, takeoff to the north, Lanai traffic. Lanai traffic November 13065, holding short of runway 3 at Alpha. Going to do a back taxi to runway 3, then take off to the north, line traffic.
Did you like that turn, Jen?
Yeah, you're doing great. I'm very proud of you.
I think that was my best one yet. I wasn't like wobbly all over the place. So you're just checking on, is it on?
Yeah, I'm just on 4 flight.
4 flight, okay.
Yeah.
And then it just tells you like once you cross one threshold, you change to different frequencies. Is that?
Really, I just use it because I have pretty much the long-term map all memorized.
Oh,
I use it for radar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. ACF Center, Sky 335, Sierra Papa 5,100, 7 miles northwest of Lanai Airport. Looking for a flight following back to Ko'olui.
Squawk 325 Sierra Papa, Center Squawk 1730.
Squawking 1730, Sky 335 Sierra Papa. surprised the GoPro's still recording.
Yeah, it's still going.
I know, I switched the battery in my other one and it's ready to go if it dies.
5 Sierra Papa, 0 to contact, 7 miles north of 94 taxi altitude.
5,200, 5 Sierra Papa.
5 Sierra Papa, Roger. Zulu current, sorry, following altimeter is 3002.
3002, 5 Sierra Papa.
Wait, what did he just say?
ATF 150214.
3002 is altimeter setting, so it's basically the barometric pressure for this certain area.
Oh, okay, okay.
Paris 1502.
Kawaka 689, Honolulu altimeter 3001, contact approach 119.1 for clearance into the Bravo. See you.
3001 and 1916, Squawk 689.
Kawaka 2 Charlie November, contact HCO Center 118.45. See you.
118.45. Have a good night. 2 Charlie November.
And HCF 8 Hotel Papa at the airport site. Can you cancel this time?
8 Hotel Papa, copy. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, contact Molokai HR 125.7.
Copy all that. 8 Hotel Papa.
Kawaka 5 Sierra Papa, contact Maui approach 119.5. See you.
9.5, you have a great night, 5 Sierra Papa, thanks.
So who are you talking to all this?
No, that's just, what I'm hearing is another plane that's too far out of our range.
Oh.
Yeah. ATF approved, Skyhawk 335, Sierra Papa, 5,100.
Number 335 Sierra Papa, base approach as expected, straight in runway 2, and advise when you have information Zulu.
Straight in runway 2 and Wilco, 5 Sierra Papa.